Reconnecting back with someone? Don't worry. In this lesson, I will teach you how to show excitement or greet your friend or greet someone you know previously that you've lost contact with or you've seen for a long time. Okay? There are some reactions and there are some best ways to express yourself in Igbo language. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's lesson, we are going to learn different greetings in Igbo language. These greetings are centered on you showing excitement for seeing someone after a long time. So there are various ways Igbo people do this, okay? The first one is Nka anyagi. Nka anyagi. Nka anyagi. Is this you? That is long time. In other words, it's been a while. So, in English, you will see someone say it's been a while. Hi, John, it's been a while. So, in Igbo, you say Nka anyagi. You can say Obi Nka anyagi. Ngozi Nka anyagi. Nke a anyagi be pronounced as Nka anyagi. Okay? Nka anyagi. Repeat after me. Nka anyagi. Again. Nka anyagi. So, you listening, Nka anyagi. Thanks for listening. Alright, the next one is Anya ni ibe ya. So, if you did not use the other one I said, you can say Anya ni ibe ya. Oftentimes, people use Anya ni ibe ya as a response, as a feedback to Nka anyagi. Okay, so let's play the role. Ajima, I say to you, Nka anyagi. Your response will be Anya ni ibe ya. Okay? Anya ni ibe ya. Okay? Anya ni ibe ya. So sometimes you can decide to start with it. Okay? It depends on who is speaking and choice of sentence. Anya ni ibe ya. Anya na ibe ya. Repeat after me. Anya na ibe ya. Anya ni ibe ya. Ni ibe ya. Ni ibe. So anya ni ibe ya, which also means long time. Remember, this is Igbo. If you have to translate it word for word, it will not make sense in English. Okay? So, it is equivalent to long time. It's been a while. Then the next one you can use is Onye kam na ahụ ha. Onye kam na ahụ ha. Who am I seeing? Or who is this I'm seeing? Onye kam na ahụ ha. That is, you are showing excitement that you are seeing someone. Onye kam na ahụ ha. So this is one of the expressions you can use to it's a form of greeting, it's also a form of greeting. So Igbo have different very fancy, interesting ways we greet ourselves beyond the bolashi, keki merekedo. No, beyond that, these are one of the ways we greet, okay, depending on the circumstance. Okay, onye kam na ahụ ha. Onye kam na ahụ ha. Kwoye means say it. Onye ka na ahụ ihe a. So pronounced as ihe. Onye kam na ahụ ihe. The next one is Ogide ihe. So the response to onye kam na ahụ ihe, you can say is me. Okay, you can say is me. So the next one is Ogide ihe. Ogide ihe. Is this you? Ogide ihe. So you can say Ngo Ogide ihe, or Chidimma Ogide ihe, Obinna Ogide ihe, Ndidamaka Ogide ihe. Ihugu ya? Okay, Ogide ihe. Ogide ihe. Is this you? Alright, this is a coming in question. Not necessary that the person have to answer the question. Okay? Right. Isi ka ahụ gị anya. The next one is Isi ka ahụ gị anya. And you decided to be seen. In other words, you are acting like you are playing hide and seek with the person. You've hidden yourself for a long time. Isi ka ahụ gị anya. When you see a close friend, you can just, tap the person at the shoulder and just call the person by the name. Amara, isi ka ahụ gị anya. Ebee ka ị nọ kemgbe? Where have you been? Ebee ka ị nọ kemgbe? Where have you been since? Kemgbe means since. So these are the expressions you can use. Ebe ka ino kembe. Where have you been since? So you say ka ahụ gị anya, and you decided to be seen. Then another expression you can use is ebe ka onye a sikwa. Ebe ka onye a sikwa. Where is this one coming from? These things are rhetoric questions, okay? You must not really answer it directly. The other expressions you can use to respond to it. So, you can just say normal things you know how to say. But this is one of the, the key points, the expressions used, all right? Ebe ka onye a sikwa. Where is this one coming from? All right? Or in other words, who is this? Then other people can use the one which I think you must have heard. I am Jehogi Akpokwalam. So I am Jehogi Akpokwalam. That is, may I not go blind seeing you. I am Jehogi Akpokwalam. May I not go blind seeing you. So these are the few expressions. There are lots of them out there. Okay. Practice these. Try to incorporate it in your communication. It will spice up your Igbo. I still remain your favorite Igbo language teacher.